One Piece has over 1,000 episodes. Where should a new viewer begin? Should movies, specials, OVAs, and the remake be mixed in? The wrong order can spoil new crewmates and abilities. It can also make side stories look like the main plot. Remember one rule: prioritize the main TV anime. Movies, specials, and OVAs are mostly optional. First, begin with East Blue. It explains why Luffy wears the straw hat. Zoro, Nami, Usopp, and Sanji join the story. Luffy's promise with Shanks starts the adventure. Next comes the Alabasta Saga. It brings together Baroque Works, the Desert Kingdom, and Vivi. The crew raises their marked arms in farewell. It is Alabasta's most iconic goodbye. After that comes the Sky Island Saga. It matters to history, ancient writing, and later mysteries. Luffy's enormous shadow appears across the sky. It proves that dreams really can exist. Then watch Water 7 and Enies Lobby in order. Their stories are closely connected, so watch them together. I Want to Live, the farewell to the Going Merry. These moments turn the crew into a true family. The images do not cover every arc in between. Do not jump from Enies Lobby straight to the Summit War. Continue through Thriller Bark and Sabati Archipelago. Then watch Amazon Lily and Impel Down before Marineford. The Summit War changes the balance of the world. It also reshapes Luffy's path forward. After 2 years, Fishman Island, Punk Hazard, and Dressrosa. Then Zoo, Whole Cake Island, and finally Wano Country. Gear 5 is a major development late in Wano. Do not skip ahead just because it is everywhere. Treat the movies as optional, parallel adventures. Watch them near their release periods to avoid spoilers. TV specials are original stories or condensed retellings. OVAs are bonus material, neither is required for the main plot. Wit Studios' The One Piece restarts the story from the beginning. It is not the next season of Toei's ongoing TV anime. For your first watch, follow the main TV anime in order. Add movies later, choose specials and OVAs as you like. Save this watch order guide. Now set sail for the Grand Line.